Ever wonder how to save space without sacrificing screenshot quality when gaming? Let's switch your game booster screenshot format to HEIF on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Scroll down the screen. Tap Game Booster Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under Screenshot section, tap Screenshot Format. Here you will see two options. JPEG. It's the traditional image format with wide compatibility but larger file size. And HEIF, which keep high image quality while using less storage space. Let's select HEIF because this format is ideal if you want to save space without sacrificing image quality. Now, every time you take a screenshot during gameplay, it will be saved in the HEIF format. By switching to HEIF, your game screenshot will take up less space, perfect for heavy gamers who capture a lot of highlights. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.